Hello, I'm Mike, Managing Director of SmartPack.com.au. We are a family-owned business and have been renovating kitchens, bathrooms, laundries, home offices for the past 30 years. Over the past few months, we've been asked many questions. How can I save money around the house? I want a new home office, but I don't know where to start. What are the right kitchen accessories for me? So we have decided to share some of our gems in a series we call The Secrets of SmartPack. This is the second in the series where we'll explore how you can get started on your new kitchen project. The first thing is to consider the layout. There are a few basic designs you can choose from the U-shape, L-shape, or straight galley kitchen. The next most important thing is about the cabinet height. Do you want to go to the ceiling or shorter cupboards? What and where you'll be storing things in them. Fitting the appliances into these cabinets. You need to have the specifications. And finally, what color palette do you want to use? If this has prompted you to start a project, give us a call on 1300 459 305 or click the link to visit our website. Have a great day. Stay safe.